Okay, good morning, everybody. YouTube, can I get a sound check, please? If that's all right with you guys. If I could get a sound check, I would appreciate it. By sound check, I mean, can you guys hear the music all right? And can you hear my voice good and above the music, basically? Sounds good? Okay. All right, perfect. So good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 30th. I don't know about you guys, but this month is literally flying by. It is literally flying by. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's check Forex Factory and make sure we don't have any surprises. Why does my screen look like this? This looks funny looking right now. I'm OCD about my desk. Why is my screen adjusted like this? Okay. So looks like we have news later on today at 10. CB, consumer confidence, and job openings. I don't see that being anything crazy today. I don't see that being anything crazy today, but we'll keep that in mind for later. So yeah, guys, I don't know what happened yesterday with US30. US30 took off like a rocket yesterday. Let me see something real quick. We didn't have any news yesterday, not as far as I know. It's not uncommon to see, big moves like this just completely take off, but I don't know. I wasn't watching. I wasn't on the charts when this happened. I just heard about it kind of through the grapevine, and that's crazy that it did that. That's wild. Yeah, that's wild. US30 played around a lot after, down here, and like I always say, after every I guess consolidation or range area, we have a very strong push out, and that's what we got yesterday. And this thing flew for about 270 points, which is wild. 270 points. I am in these cells, guys. I've been in these cells since yesterday. Literally since yesterday. I got in right in here, and it looks like last night went into a little bit of profit, and now it's trying to find its way on down. So we'll see if we can continue bearish here. I'm going to try my hardest to hold this until the drop, if we get a nice drop there. And we'll see what happens. US30 is making highs like nobody's business. This is quite surprising to me, that we're hitting these new highs. I mean, it's cool and all, but it's tough. But anyway, looking for US30 to come on back down here. So yeah, for US30, not much in the way of too much of an analysis. We're very, very bullish here, and I'm just catching the pullback here. That's pretty much it. If we bust out a fib here, from the swing high to swing low. This half point 61% area here would be like TP1, and then if you want to hold, TP2 would be, you know, down this area here. So we'll see what happens today with that. All right, so this is good. Let's look at gold real quick. So yesterday gold dropped nicely from this area and we pulled back nicely back into that zone again, and gold is pumping up here. We are trying to break these highs here on gold. Gold tried to push up here, but we're slowly retracing now. Gold looks very bullish, very bullish. I think we're going to break these highs. I think we're going to break them because the trend is so very strong right now. If you guys see, I mean, we're moving very nicely here. Very nicely here. You can't really beat that. What I would say is to wait for price to come back to your major areas of support, and then, you know, look to take entries from there, either from there or from there for the buy continuations. The buys are obviously, you know, higher probability than the sells, so I would go for the buys instead of the sells. So right now on gold, something like that. It already did that here with this pullback here. So this could very well just continue, you know, pumping up. But maybe with news or 8:30 market open, we'll get a little pump, maybe another pullback if we're lucky. Yeah, but something like this is what I think is going to happen. But we really need to break these highs. If we do not break these highs, we've got problems, and gold could very well just dump. So, yeah. Let me clean this up just a little. It's a little messy. Little messy. Okay. Okay. Edward Bayero. I caught that buy. Now I'm bearish for dear life. I'm holding bearish until 2nd of February. Very good, very good. Swing trader life. Swing trader life. You still use the fib? Yep. I'm in a sell too since 6. We looked at gold? I've been in sales. I'm new here. How are you trading gold? Like, what broker allows it? Clearly I can tell you're new by that question. Okay, so let's put up a little reminder here. Why is this black? It should be, let's make it, why does it look like that? Why does my text look funny looking like this? Is it just me, or does my blue look a little funny here? Why does it look like that? I don't know. It looks funny looking. Okay, there we go. A little something there. Are you using a prop firm or your own capital? I use my own capital. Not that that matters, but I use my own capital. Boy. Okay, let me look at this again. Guys, why didn't you guys tell me that they were bombing people in Jordan? Y'all heard me say I want to go to Jordan this year, and they're bombing people? Cross that off my list quick. I crossed that place off my list quick. How do I hide? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Did not mean to do that. Oh. In February. February 12th. I'm focused, man. Can we get the likes up, guys? If that's all right with you guys. Can we get the likes up? Can we get the likes up, please? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Today is gonna be a very chill day. Very chill day. Yesterday was bumpy, so let's see if today's gonna be chill. Now today will be a chill day. Will be a chill day. What the hell? It's nice to see a woman that trades. My girlfriend just got interested by seeing you, all confident and with good trade. Keep the inspiration. A couple from Quebec, Canada. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to my live stream. I'm very excited watching your live stream. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'm excited too. I'm very excited too. I am very excited too. Come on, chat. Where you guys at? I want to have fun today. I want to talk today. Give me something to talk about while we sit here and watch US30 bleed out. Can we talk, guys? Please, Super Charlene, can you explain why you took that sell? Sure. So US30 did that yesterday. It did that around 3 o'clock yesterday. Yes. So these were the previous highs that we had yesterday, right around this area here. I don't have my zone here because these are just wicks on the higher time frame. Okay, so they're just rejection areas. So this high right here was our last area. If you notice here, we have this tiny little baby candle here that rejected, and then after that, this candle never even tried to push down to make a bottom wick. It just, you know, completely went bullish. So the trend has been bullish for quite some time, right? I've been saying that I've been hoping we get some sort of sell-off, because if you look at the higher time frames, guys, okay, if we look left, there is no data. There is nothing here, right? This is kind of the worst thing you want to see trading. You know, you need data. You need to be able to analyze. You need something to tell you, you know, what price may do, where it may react from. You know, how far up can it go? How far down can it go? Can we expect reaction from this price, that price, this and that? So it's very, you know, it's a thing to see data. You need that. You need to analyze. And because we don't have any data, it's hard to take buys, because the buys, you don't know where it's, you know, where to put your TP. You don't know anything. You're just kind of taking a buy and hoping for the best, you know. So anyway, going down on time frames here, you guys will notice that market structure moves in waves, right? Moves in waves. Yes. So right now the trend is bullish, and we're looking for the market to move like this. Okay, so if we're making one leg and we're pushing up and we have found an area of resistance here, you're looking for price to either break your resistance and, you know, push up to continue its wave, or you're looking for a price to break and come down. All right, so now that we have this one leg here, you know you need another leg. So that's why I'm trying to catch this move here. Now, whether or not I hold to this support or I hold to that support, it remains to be seen. But that's why I've taken this sell, is because we've pushed up. It's just a short-term trade. It's not a trade you're supposed to hold, because the market right now is currently bullish, and you do not want to be holding a sell when the market is going up. So that's why, I'm in this kind of short-term retracement trade right now. And the reason why sells are a bit more attractive than the buys right now is because at least with sells, exactly where, I have data to tell me where my last areas of support are. For my buys, I don't have that. So I just prefer to take sells. And that's the setup we're getting right now anyway. I would have loved for this thing to have moved last night and not have just done nothing, but I've been on a losing streak lately, so I kind of really don't even give a shit. You get to a point, guys, where you take a certain number of losses and you really don't care anymore, and that's kind of a good thing and a bad thing in moderation. So right now, well, of course, I would have been closed out on these positions here, but I'm being ballsy today, and I'm like, nope, I'm going to test my psychology. That's why I'm not watching the profit. I'm just watching the setup, because I just want this to continue down. I want to see what happens here. I'm going to decide whether or not I'm going to hold or close here, or see what happens here. I'm well aware that we have news at 10 o'clock today, so I'm going to keep that, in the corner of my mind. But I just need to bounce back from last week, from yesterday. Yesterday I was in buys right here, waited for price to come back. My entry was garbage, waited. It kept playing around, acted like it wanted to sell off, and I actually closed my trade even before I hit my stop loss, only to watch it do that. That really upset me yesterday. So I'm like, you know what? F it. Today I'm going balls to the wall, and whatever happens, happens. So, newsflash, guys. Even the best traders, we're human, and we go through ups and downs just like you guys do. We go through emotions just like you guys do. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, you want to live to trade another day. That's what's important here. And we're going to see what's going to happen with this trade here. Missed out on this move here. Let's see if we can continue down, and if I can redeem myself from yesterday. Because I was highly upset. I was literally on a phone call yesterday when the trade did that, and I screamed on the phone. The person was like, "Whoa, you all right?" Like they thought I like banged my knee or stubbed my toe or something, because I screamed. I was so upset, because I was like, God damn it, Charlene, you had that move. You had that move. You should have just held. And I closed out. I closed because it kept on pushing, and I'm like, is this thing going down? Because I was in buys, and it just would not move. It just would not move. And I got mad and I closed, because I'm thinking, all right, you know what? You don't do it. Just F it. Take the L. And I closed out, only to watch it turn around and go back up. So today, I'm gonna commit to the trade. I'm gonna commit to the trade. It is what it is. So let's see. Let's see. We're going to see. Frank, if you can stop spamming the chat, that would be amazing, please. Please refrain from doing that. Please. Please refrain from doing that. Would really appreciate it, Mr. Frank. Guess what? I gotta put you on timeout, Papa. Gotta put you on timeout because you're spamming the chat. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Revenge trading. No, this isn't revenge trading because it has nothing to do with yesterday's loss. I'm not in any kind of up and down movement back and forth. I would have taken this setup any day of the week. Whether I took this loss yesterday or not, I still would have taken this setup. It's not revenge trading. Listen guys, whoever tells you that you cannot trade with emotion, they're full of shit, okay? You know why? Because you're trading with money, with real money. Money is attached to your emotions because you worked really, really, really hard for your money. It's important to you. You need that money. I don't care how much money you have or don't have. Money is a very vital part of your life, of all of our lives, no matter what corner of the universe you live in. So I believe it is impossible to trade without absolutely any emotion. It is. It's impossible to trade without emotion. You're going to have some degree of emotion, whether you're winning or you're losing. You're going to have something. If you're winning, you're happy you're winning. If you're losing, you're sad you're losing, or you're whatever, you know, whatever emotions you go through when you take losses. It is what it is, guys, okay? You have some type of emotion. When people trade and they have, even in this trade right now, you guys think I'm not under some type of emotion watching this trade go from 10,000 down to 6 now? Come on, guys. You're always, it's emotional. This is an emotional sport that we're playing here. Everybody has emotion. It takes strong emotion to hold a move like this. It takes strong emotion to close your move right here and then watch the move continue down in your direction. It takes strong emotion to hold drawdown when you kind of sort of really want to close, but you kind of sort of want to hold, but you're not sure. You don't want to close because if you close, it might go your way. Or if you don't close, you're taking a bigger drop. Guys, it's a gigantic roller coaster of emotions, literally. It's one gigantic bipolar mixing pot is what it is. Because on one hand you're happy, on the next hand, just like that, you could be upset. Just like that. So listen, it's not easy. All of the emotions that you guys go through, trust me, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. All of us go through it. Either we are going through it or we've been through it. Keyword being through. You don't just take a loss and stop there. You keep going. You keep going and you try again. Because guys, after every trade, after every win or every loss, there's going to be another trade. See this trade I lost on yesterday? This trade right here? There's another trade right here. And there's going to be another trade right here, and another trade right here, and another trade right here, and another trade right here. And it's never ending cycle. It's just going to continue, continue, and continue. So am I just going to take a loss here and forget about all these other opportunities that are lingering, coming down the pipeline? I can't do that. Come on. Last week was last week. Yesterday was yesterday. Today is a brand new day. A brand new day, brand new opportunities, brand new chance to redeem yourself. Another chance to get better. Another chance to win. Another chance to learn. We get a second chance at life every single day. You wake up. You do something wrong yesterday, you get a second chance tomorrow. You do something wrong tomorrow, you get a second chance the next day. But if you just lay down and just quit and just give up, what's the point? What's the point? What's the point, guys? If I could do it, anybody could do it. Anybody could do it, guys. I'm not anything special, guys. I'm not a genius. I don't have rich parents. I don't have a 1,000 IQ or have some magic key or something. I just wake up every day and I try again. That's all I do. I'm consistent. If you're consistent at anything, you're gonna get good at it eventually. Eventually, you're going to get good at it if you're consistent with something. The difference between you and someone else is how hard they try every day. Sometimes when you make a lot of money in Forex, your emotions die because you don't care. Nope. You couldn't be more wrong. You could not be more wrong. I don't care how rich you are, guys. You could be a millionaire. If you lose $50,000 and you're a millionaire, I guarantee you that's going to bother you to some degree. It's going to bother you to some degree. Like, for instance, like you could say, oh yeah, you know, I'm rich. I don't have to worry about anything. I got money. I got millions in the bank. You know, my parents are rich. Da, da, da. But if somebody robs you, you're going to be upset. That's going to bother you. No one likes to lose money. I don't care how much money you have. No one likes to lose money. So save it. Those of you that think there's no emotions in trading, they're lying. They're lying. Straight up, they're lying. You're gonna have emotions. You're going to feel certain things. But it's about whether or not you can come back again and try again. Can you live to trade another day? Period. Your psyche has to be solid. Yeah, to a certain degree, yes, it does. It does. It does. Charlene, do you ever pull out any other strategies out the toolbox in certain market conditions? I know you don't need to, but just curious. I'm not sure what you mean by other strategies. I mean, the thing about a strategy, guys, is all it is a style. That's all it is. It's a certain style of trader. Like, you have some traders that only look for sells. You have some traders that only look for buys. You have some traders that only trade breakouts. You have some traders that only trade liquidity. It's all just a style of trading that you prefer. And that style is going to come from your learning and what you feel comfortable with. What you feel comfortable with, right? Like, for instance, right? I'm in this sell right now, right? Because my trading style calls for me entering on a move like this. Another trader might look at this and say, well, this is the first push out of this zone here. I prefer to see a pullback and then I'll take a sell. You have some traders that are like that only enter off of, you know, certain criteria. And there's really nothing wrong with that. That's actually a very good thing because it shows you have discipline. It shows you have a trading plan that you follow. It shows that, you know, you're able to be patient, to wait for things to come to you, to wait for your setup to come to you and whatnot. So a strategy isn't like anything, you know, special. It's just how you look at the market, period. And for me, I don't want to say no matter what market condition I look for the same thing, because every trade is different, you know, different variables. So it all depends. But for the most part, I pretty much still look for the same stuff. So my strategy, my way of looking at the markets doesn't really change too much. Now, obviously over the years, it's changed a lot because my knowledge has gone up. The pairs that I trade now are vastly different, you know, so, you know, it's going to change. Your strategy is going to change as you level up. So it kind of, you just have to adapt to those changes, but the changes will come naturally. They're going to come naturally because it's going to be you studying. It's going to be you backtesting, taking trades, journaling, you know, studying and everything. So it's a process. It's all a journey. It's all a process. So is there anything special that I do when market conditions change? Not so much. I just know what I can do and I know what I can't do. I'm not the best at holding. This move right now, I want to close right now, guys. I want to close very badly right now. But I'm testing out and pushing myself to see what can this go down? Can this continue down and come on down and retest this low? Can I get a move like this? This, I don't too much care about right now. I'm more concerned about this because this hasn't happened yet. I don't even know if it's going to happen. and I'm in a sell in a bullish market. I'm very nervous right now, a little nervous, because right now I'm breaking my rules because I'm holding a sell position that I should have closed out on a long time ago. I'm bothered by the losses I've been taking lately, just a little. I'm not upset too much at the losses in the way of my setups, because it's not like I'm taking random ass setups and I'm just willy-nilly. I'm taking actual setups that I look for and everything. That I always take. I'll take these same trades that I've been losing on are trades that I win on normally. So 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 times, you know, you're gonna win those trades. So you just wake up the next day and just try it again. That's all you can do. Quitting is not an option though. There's no option to quit. There's no option to give up. There's no option to get so mad. Yeah, I was on a phone call, a business phone call, and I screamed at that guy on the phone. But I wasn't screaming at him. I'm screaming like, oh my God, I can't believe I did it. You know, and he understood. He's a friend of mine anyway, so he understands. All right. But that's emotion right there. That was all emotion right there. Closing out on this position, watching it go my way after, that was emotion. You're gonna feel that, guys. It stings just a little. It's a little tugs at your heartstrings, just a little. You know? And when you go through a losing streak, guys, and you're losing, that next win, that first win after a loss is so satisfying. It's so satisfying because it's like, okay, take a deep breath and you're like, yeah, I could do this. I could do this. Yeah, it's only one win. Okay. But it just goes to show that you're not going to lose forever. You know, you're going to win here and there. You just have to try to win more than you lose. That's all. That's why I only take 1, maybe 2 setups a day. I literally have a mental block, guys, that will not let me take. I haven't taken two trades in a while now. In a while. Have I closed at a loss and re-entered right back again? Yeah, that kind of counts as that. But after, like, let's say I take this trade and this trade goes down and it hits take profit. And let's say I see a buy setup. It's really hard for me to take that buy because I kind of sort of don't want to risk that win that I just got. This win is hard to get. It's hard to win. So do you really want to be greedy and jump back in when you already got your win for the day? And I've found a level of consistency with just taking my 1 win and walking away, come back the next day and do it again. It's just, you have to know what works for you and what doesn't. Stick to your rules. Stick to your rules and don't be greedy. Greed kills everything, guys. It kills everything. Let's see here. Randy, you said you were testing something. What would be the regular for you to close right there? Yeah, I just said that. Yes. Because I'm okay with that profit. That's why. It's not always the setup, guys. It's more my profit. Okay? I am just as happy making 1,000 a day as I would be making 10,000 a day. You know, I'm just testing my psychology by letting this continue down if it does. That's all. She loves to be a scalper. Yeah. Okay. It's not the move, guys. It's just the profit. I'm not looking to catch a big move all the time. I'm very happy. Like right now, if I was to close right now, I'd be happy with 5,000 today. Guys, 5,000 in one day, in one morning. Come on, guys. Let's not forget the value of money here. You could do a lot with $5,000 today. Okay. Why don't you trade NASDAQ? First time here. Please go through how you came about that trade. Yes, likes should be over 600. Yeah, if we can get the likes up, guys, that'd be pretty cool. We can get the likes up. Who is in these cells? Who's in these US30 cells? I'm just curious. Who is in US30 cells with me? Gold is destroying people. It is. It is. Gold is, oof. I think it's true. Ever since I stopped trading gold, gold has been on a tear. On a tear. Complete tear lately. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, you know, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason, I guess. I don't know. I got a signal from another group on US30 yesterday, and I didn't trust it. Broke my heart for real. That's true, but psychologically, it doesn't help when you stay in the emotions of being happy, of being too happy or too sad. Well, you can't because you're looking for the next move anyway. I don't dwell on my trades, guys. On a win or a loss, I don't really dwell on it. My life doesn't revolve around trading. My life does not revolve around trading. After that loss yesterday, I went to work. I did what I had to do. I had a whole bunch of meetings and things to do yesterday. I had to pick up my goddaughter from school. I took her out to eat. We had a great time, laughing, kicking it. Came home, changed, went to the gym, had a nice little workout, you know, had lunch with someone, with a friend of mine, and that was it. You know, went to bed last night. Woke up in great spirits this morning, you know, positive attitude, positive mentality, you know, feeling good, feeling great, thanking God for waking up another day. And then we could get on the charts. Get on the charts and run it back. Get on the charts, spin the block. Let's go. Let's do this. That's what you got to do every day, guys. Every day. Yeah, I was pissed on that call. I missed out on these. Okay, cool. Guess what? An hour later, I wasn't even thinking about that an hour later. Don't dwell, guys. Don't dwell. Don't dwell. Even if it was a win, even if I caught this entire move yesterday, guess what? My day would have still gone the same exact way. Same exact way. Would it have been nice to catch it? Freak, yeah. Shit. It ain't easy catching moves like this. But I'm not gonna dwell on it. Nah. I got things to do. I got shit to do. I don't have time to dwell on things. Keep it pushing, guys. Keep it pushing. I love your passion and honesty, young lady. God bless you for all you do for other people. God bless you as well. God bless you as well. Bless you as well. Charlie, what lot size do you use? I'm using 0.70s right now. I'm using 0.70 stacking. I'm new here. Please briefly explain your strategy. Get my course, buddy. Link in the description box. It's very interesting to hear you say you experience the same thing I experienced. I closed my trade after being upset, but my analysis was right, and that thought to be more patient. It happens all the time. Happens all the time. That's a regular thing for us. For us traders, it's going to be a regular thing. Closing your trade and watching it go your way. Continue your way. Just get used to it. Get used to it. I'm new to US30. What news should I look out for on Forex Factory? Any red folders that have to do with USD pairs? 300 likes. Can we get some more likes up, guys? That'd be great. I might go for buys on the AUD, but news might be tripping. We're not looking at AUD, so why are you talking about AUD? Best way to trade is use good risk management. Set stop loss and take profit and walk away. Watching the trade is usually what gets the trader emotional. You can walk away, but you're always going to have it in the back of your mind. So that's true. You should. But that's why I'm not looking at the profit. I'm only looking at this setup right now. That's why. Where did you purchase your chair? Off Amazon. Off Amazon. I can show you guys. Let me see if I can still find it here for you guys. And the chair was, at one point it was $700, but I refused to pay that much, so I waited until the price went down. I think I bought it for like $4 or something. I think I bought it for $400 and some change. right here. This is the chair right here. Ooh, it went up 600. So it fluctuates here and there. This is my chair that I have currently right now. It's very comfortable, real leather. It's not hard to put together. I really, really like it. And I believe it comes in a bunch of colors. It has black, white, brown, peanut butter, and dark navy blue. But I think the red just does it for me. I really like red. It's sexy, sleek, it's different, it's very comfortable. It looks very sophisticated, and you know, all that good stuff. So price goes up and down. Sometimes I got it for $4 and change. Now it's up to 600. I think the highest I've seen this chair go for was, I think 700 or 800 was the highest. 700 or 800 was the highest that I've seen it go for. But I don't know. I refuse to pay that much for it. So yeah, I'll spend money on things, guys. I'll spend here and there. But some things I just refuse to spend a bunch of money on. And an office chair is one. I was looking at a gaming chair at one point, but they were like $2,000, $800, $1,500. I'm like, for a chair? I mean, I spend a lot of time in my chair. I work at my desk, you know, half of the day, but I'm not spending that much on a chair. Like, what? Nah. So yeah. And it has my goddaughter's name on it, Zuri. So I was like, oh yeah, definitely gotta get this chair. So yeah, I like it. I like it. It's a dope chair, and you can get it whatever color you want. I just recommend you wait. Just add it to your favorites list, and just, you know, note it. I think Amazon notifies you when the price goes down just a little. So yeah. But yep, that's the chair I have now. So yeah. Do you trade live every week? Please read the description box. Read the description box before you ask any questions, because your question may or may not be answered there. I notice I keep losing on gold. I don't want to trade that anymore. Well, I would go to an easier pair. You should go to an easier pair to trade. That's one that's a little less volatile. Hi Charlene, good morning. Any thought on start trading future? I'm still learning the platforms there. Charlene, did your family ever doubt your trading journey? I never gave them a chance to. I didn't tell them about when I was studying. I did it in private, which is the best way to do things sometimes. I did it in private. Did not tell anybody. Don't tell anybody your plans when you really want to do something, guys. Just do it. Just shut up and do it, and let them see the results after the fact. Everybody doesn't need to know your every move. Every business you're starting, every venture you're taking on, any goals that you have, just do it. Trust me, they'll notice on their own. You don't have to say anything. They will notice on their own. They will notice on their own. When I was leaving my job, I told a grand total of 1 person before I did it. I wasn't gonna tell anybody so they could talk me out of it. Yeah, it's a great job, Charlene. What about your pension? What about this? I don't want to hear nothing. Just do it. Want to trade? Trade. You don't gotta tell everybody what you're doing. They won't understand it. When they don't have your same vision for what you want to accomplish and what you want to do in this life, guys, they won't understand it. And when people are typically afraid of things they don't understand. So because they're afraid of it, they project their fear onto you. Maybe not intentionally, but it's not their fault. If you say to somebody, you know what, I really want to be a millionaire. I think I'm going to be a millionaire. If that person you're telling that you want to be a millionaire to cannot even fathom in their brain that they could even make $100,000 a year, let alone be a millionaire, they're going to tell you you're crazy. What's wrong with you? What do you mean you want to be a millionaire? Go sit down somewhere. Go get a job like the rest of us. And it's not their fault. They don't have the same vision you have. God didn't place it in them the way he placed it on you. They don't have the same aspirations. They don't have, they placed limitations on themselves, and that's it. They put a ceiling on their idea of success and leveling up, and your ceiling is a little bit higher, and because all they can see is their ceiling, they cannot see up further up to see your ceiling. So you can't blame them for looking at only their ceiling. You have to focus on your own. Don't worry about what this person got going on. You focus on your ceiling, and then when you hit your ceiling, you break through that motherfucker, and you keep flying, and you keep leveling up, and you keep on pushing yourself to be more than you ever thought you could be. You have to be borderline delusional when you really, really want to be something. You do. Let people think you're crazy. That's fine. You're not worried. Their opinions don't concern you. Period. Period. If someone doesn't understand your vision, forgive them for that, but don't hold it against them. It's not their lease on life. It's not their journey. It's not their path. It's yours. So shut up about what you want to do and just freaking do it. That's it. Just do it. And eventually, if they're smart, they'll jump on board. If they are smart, they will jump on board, or they will be inspired enough to say, you know, that's my brother, or that's my cousin, or that's my niece, or that's my daughter, or that's my neighbor, or that's my best friend. If they could do it, why can't I do it? A light bulb will go off in their head. Bing! They'll be like, shit, I grew up with this person. I've seen this person. What? They did what? And then in you doing you and leveling up and doing what you got to do to hit your ceiling, it's going to indirectly inspire them to feel like they could do it too. And then before you know it, guess what? That ceiling that they have for themselves, when they see your ceiling and you both started at the same place and they see you hitting these levels and they're right here, suddenly they're going to raise that bar for themselves too. And they're going to say, you know what? I know Charlene. If Charlene can do it, I could do it too. And you know what? I got the inside scoop because I know her personally. So guess what? I can call her when I need something. I can ask her questions. I can find out about this, that, da 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 da. You got the plug now. And if that person is truly rocking with you, they won't have any issue with helping you get to where you want to get to. Because I always tell y'all, right? It doesn't take anything off my plate to help the next person. You don't let people take advantage of you, but at the same time, what you put out there, you get back tenfold. Helping you is indirectly helping me, whether I know it or you know it. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me right now? You guys feeling me? What I'm saying here? It doesn't take away from anything I'm doing here. Giving you a shout out on my Instagram doesn't take away from me. Giving you a shout out on my YouTube doesn't take away from me. Helping you with my course doesn't take away from me. Giving you free trade signals doesn't take away from me. Loaning you money doesn't take away from me. Everything you give of yourself to other people, guys, you get something back in return. Something. Good, bad, or indifferent. So when people are selfish, when people are, what's the word I'm looking for? Self-absorbed, when people are hurtful, that's on them. That's on them, you know? But you got to do what's best for you. And with me, I like helping people. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I have 2 phones. They're ringing all the time. Friends, family, whoever's calling me, business. Hey, Charlene, what do you think of this? Hey, Charlene, what do you think of that? Charlene, what? All the time. And I make time. I make time for the things and the people I care about. I make time for it. because they're important to me. Something's important to you, or someone is important to you. You make time for them. You make time for it. So when I hear people say, oh, well, you know, I have my job, I have kids, I got this, I got that, then it's not important to you. Well, Charlene, you don't have kids, so you don't know. I don't need to have kids. I had a demanding job. I had family. I have tons of cousins, small. I know what it's like. I may not have kids, but I know what it's like to be burdened with a lot of responsibility. So don't tell me because you have a 9-to-5 you can't trade. Because you have kids you can't study at night. You make time. You find a way. You're gonna find a way, or you're gonna find excuses. I can't study. I have my kids at night, so I can't study at night, and I work during the day, so I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay. Okay. Can't do it. There it is, right there. Can't do it. So just quit. Just quit. You can't do it. It's not important to you. Because if something's important to you, you're gonna make time for it. Period. You're gonna make time for it. I am immune to excuses. When I hear people give me excuses for things now, I don't want to hear it. Well, please, Charlene, I was busy with this. Can I get it? Nope. I was doing it. Can I? Nope. No. Because if something is important to you, you're going to prioritize it. You're going to prioritize it and you're going to get it done. You're going to get it done. Nobody cares about excuses. Nobody. They don't care. My kid was sick. My dog died. My mom broke her leg. My boss fired me. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. You want my help? I will help you. But the second you start hitting me with excuses, I start pushing you down that list. That priority list, you start moving further and further and further down that list. And I'll tell you straight up, oh, okay, you got this? All right, not a problem. Okay. I'm not going to say shit. I'm going to let you do you. And those that are serious, those are the ones that are going to get my undivided attention. Those are the ones that are going to get my time. So, Charlene, is your 5-day course also offered through Zoom? It is not. Love to hear you talk that talk, sister. Been here locked in since September, trying to hustle my way into this Forex life. Love it, love it, love it. Hey, I'm Haitian. Me knowing you Haitian motivated me a lot. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The key to living is giving. Facts, facts, facts. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt. That's the biggest lie ever projected onto human society. Charlene, can a selfish person be successful? I believe so. I believe so. It's a character flaw. So, I mean, it's not the best character flaw to have, but can they be successful? Sometimes it takes being selfish to a certain degree to be successful. Sometimes you gotta focus on yourself. You can't keep giving yourself to others, you know? So you just gotta find a healthy balance. That's all. You just gotta find a healthy balance. That's all you need. That is it. Charlene, that's why you are going to continue to stay blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. You make time for what you want. Facts. Facts on facts on facts. Somebody doesn't have time, you're not very important to them, period. It's not very important to them. My dog ate my computer. That's funny. That's funny. Hello, I'm new to your channel. I just found it actually. Clean choice, by the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I sit up in the middle of the night to trade with you. Riley, where you at? Where you at, G Riley? Are you in Africa somewhere, or let me know where you guys are. Where you guys from? Everybody in here, can you guys drop where you guys are from? I just want to get an idea. Where you guys from? Where is everybody at right now? What parts of the world is Charlene FX's live stream touching right now? That's what I like to know. There's 900 people, almost 1,000. If we hit 1,000 today, guys, I'm going to do backflips. I'm going to do backflips if we hit 900 people watching today, because that is going to, I haven't hit 1,000 since like a year ago. You've helped me in so many ways. And the best stuff was our personal messages. Awesome. Yes. I love me some Crystal. Love me some Crystal. Durham, North Carolina, Texas, Charleston, Jamaica. Yes, yes. Okay, let me get through this list. ATL, Little Rock, Jamaica, Chicago, Vegas, Portugal, South Africa, Toronto, Australia, ATL, Las Vegas in the house. Y'all got Super Bowl this year. South Africa, Philadelphia, Portland, Canada, UK, Birmingham. I really want to visit the UK. Scotland, Dallas, South Africa, Brunswick, Fort Lauderdale. Besides the March 1st class, will you be offering an April class, New Orleans? No, the March, I'm doing 4 a year, 4 a year. So the March class will be the first of this year, and the next one will probably be end of July, probably end of July. All right, Oregon. Wow, we got traders in Oregon? Brooklyn. Yes, BK in the house. I'm from Brooklyn. Stone Mountain, Georgia. Toronto, Monterey, Gainesville, South Africa, UK, Japan, Somalia, Kakstanistan, Ghana, London, Cooper City, Pompano, Jamaica, New Orleans, India, California, Rwanda, Kenya, Brooklyn, Tunisia, West Coast Africa, Houston, Saudi Arabia. Wow. Cooper City, Norway, South Africa. We got a lot of South Africans in here. That's so. South Africans, stand up. Alabama. Y'all traded Alabama? I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Germany, Illinois, Japan, New York, Memphis, Ghana, Cape Town, Saudi, Gainesville. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can we get the likes up as well, guys? That would be awesome if we can get the likes on. Chi-Town, stand up. Colorado, New York. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ecuador. Yes. New Jersey. Let's go. ATL. Cape Verde. Barbados. Barbados in the house. Barbados. Yes. Yes. Kenya. You can see you have a lot of supporters in South Africa. I see. I can't wait to visit South Africa. It's gonna be crazy. I must do a meet and greet out there when I go out there. We gotta do a meet and greet because there's so many y'all Africans. Y'all know how to make money because I think Africa probably has the biggest population of traders like in the world, literally in the world. I think Forex literally started in South Africa. I really do because there's so many of y'all that trade out there. It's not even funny. I'm not gonna be in Alabama long, I tell you that. LOL, moving to Florida in 2 weeks. Yes, get the hell out of Alabama. What the heck is going on in Alabama? Get up out of there. You need some motivation, you need some inspiration. Ain't nothing going on in Alabama, country bumpkins. Get yourself out here. Come get some inspiration. Oh, Charlene is international now. I've been international. Where you at? Where you at? Really proud, like, wow, whole community, the world knows you now. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Afghanistan, let's go. Portland traders, we need to correct. I'm from Clackamas, outside of Portland. All right, all right. Wow, how are you trading in Afghanistan? I thought it was illegal out there to trade Forex. Ooh, let me shut up because I might just put somebody on blast. Let me shut up. All right, you good, you good. Don't worry about that. I don't want to snitch on anybody. We good. Your secret's safe over here. A meet and greet in South Africa will be awesome. Yes, yes, yes. I probably might be going to Africa this year. This year, because me and my friend were talking about going together, and he's Nigerian. So he's like, yeah, we should go together. So I think I'm gonna go with him to South Africa. So we're gonna see. It's nice to go to Africa with somebody who's actually African, who's from there, is familiar with that area and all that. That's gonna be dope. Who's texting me right now? Oh, speak of the devil. I hope you find a husband worthy of you. Aw, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I hope I'm worthy for him as well. You know, two-way street, you know. Gotta find your other half. South African traders do 1,000% a day. Over leveraging gang makes... He said over leveraging gang makes trading exciting. So what, all y'all just get together and just over leverage together? That's funny. Come to South Africa and we will treat you with a real barbecue. What? I don't know what y'all be eating out there. What do y'all be eating out there? Because I want to know what's on the grill. Don't be out here feeding me hyenas and all that. But I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos on like the African dishes that you guys and the way you guys like prepare your food and stuff. And that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool because when I go, I want to go to the safari. I don't want to go to touristy areas. I want to go where the natives hang out. I want to be like right in the stomach of like, this is how it is to be out here. Because when I go, we're probably going to go for like at least 3 weeks. At least 3 weeks out there. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait to visit our homeland. Yes, yes, yes. But right now it's about the Barcelona trip. I am counting down the days to that trip. Y'all have no idea. I'm going for my birthday. It's going to be a whole vibe, okay? It's about to be a vibe out in Barcelona, honey. Yes. Energy, energy, energy. Full margin. Y'all full margin traders out there in Africa. Listen. Listen. Hyenas is crazy. South African traders, scammers. Padisa, padisa, padisa. Don't say that. 6'4" handsome dude like moi. Lorenzo, you're 6'4"? Wow. You guys, the tallest guy I ever dated was 6'8". And I'm 5'1", guys. He was 6'8". He used to call me Pocket. Cause he say, our first date, he said, I'm gonna start calling you Pocket. Cause I'm so little compared to him. He's like, I could put you in my pocket. You're so little. You're so cute and tiny. So I'm going to call you Pocket. And ever since then, he called me Pocket. Hey, Pocket. What you doing, Pocket? He was a sweetheart, though. He was a big giant. Big giant. Sweet guy. He used to play professional basketball overseas. Really good guy. Really good guy. So, but yeah, he was just too tall for me, man. He was too big. I'm sorry. He was way too big. I could not. Standing next to him was like I could wear the tallest pair of heels and it didn't make a difference. It did not make a difference. South Africa has a lot of Forex scammers. Okay, that's fine. There's scammers everywhere though. I've heard that too, but there's scammers everywhere. So let's not beat up on these Africans. 6'8" is a disability with the F. Well, professional basketball players, how big are those guys? You know, they're 6'5", 6'8", 6'9", 7 foot. LeBron James is 6'8". You know, big guys, you know. I don't know what these guys are eating every day, but yeah. Would you consider a summer class for double the price? No. My birthday falls around the summertime, so nah, I'm good. Double the price, damn. Could you guys imagine 5 bands for an in-person? Ouch. No emotions in South Africa. We lose or win, we move. Yes, yes, yes. Is 5'6" okay? Y'all, are y'all trying to shoot y'all shot in the chat? Or y'all want to get put on the list? Y'all get put, I got a roster right now. Y'all gotta get put on the list. We still looking for that star player. So Sting rabbits, don't talk with my country like that, bro. That disgusting. Maybe your country is worth. Ooh, people in their feelings right now in the chat. Ooh, yo, people in their feelings in the chat. Hey, don't be talking about people's hometown. They don't want to hear all that. I'm telling y'all better be careful. Yeah, I heard they do voodoo out there in Africa. I know it. I'm Haitian. They do voodoo in Haiti. I know they be doing that stuff in Africa. Don't play with them witch doctors. Mess around and see your account your account looking crazy tomorrow. So listen, if you're in Australia, your B-Day gonna be in the summer. I don't understand that comment. US30 created all-time highs straight a month. Weekly is crazy. We did bulls in the market for us to be greedy. Will you always do in-person classes? Because I have to save up. I don't know. I just started back with them this last year, so we'll see. We'll see. But I'm gonna do 4 of them this year, so don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do 4. Save your coins, and I'll get you guys in. Okay. I'm a quick learner. I'm 6'3", 235 pounds. Yeah, my ex was 6'3". I like tall guys. I like tall people. I like looking up at people. Yes. Yo, y'all are really going at each other in the chat. Guys, this is a safe place. I'm not feeling the love in the room right about now. I'm not feeling the love in the room right. Ooh, look at gold go. Look at gold. That's them buys. That's them buys. That's them buys. Look at gold. Yes, sir. "6'8" in South Africa, you'd be the tallest thing to touch our soil. Yeah. Why do I keep stretching? 500 likes. Let's get the likes to match the viewers. 920 viewers right now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Who is in these gold buys? Super Charlie, you didn't mention my country, Nigeria. I thought Africa encompassed Nigeria. Is it Nigeria in Africa? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I believe it is. I believe it is. Chat, who is in these gold buys? Who's in these gold buys? Ooh, look at her go. Look at her go. Mm-hmm. 961. Come on, come on. Can we hit 1,000 today? Can we hit 1,000 today? Because I was just talking to my friend the other day. I was like, I think we're gonna hit 1,000, maybe in March, April, you know, we'll hit 1,000, because we've been lingering, you know, around the 7-8 mark. It's been hard for us to crack that 9. Now we're at 950. 968. Are we gonna hit 1,000? Are we gonna hit 1,000 today? Are we going to hit 1,000? Come on. Gold pumping, baby. Yo, we hit 1,000 today, guys. Oh my God, that's gonna like make my whole day. That's going to make my whole entire day. You guys don't even know. 960, 960. Look at, as gold goes up, the viewers goes up. Then you give us the story. What story? The dream from yesterday? Yesterday's price ain't today's price. I don't know. We gotta get those likes up. Get the likes up. 950. Come on. I could tell you. I mean, think of a story today. What kind of story y'all want to hear? Y'all want to hear a police story? Y'all want to hear a dating story? What type of story y'all want to hear today? While we sit here and wait for US30 to wake up like gold did. Huh? Don't end the live before we hit 1K. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, these gold buys are sexy right now. How many points? 112 points. Ooh. Some of y'all are having a very good Tuesday. Some of y'all are having a very, very good Tuesday. Ooh. I wonder if gold is gonna hit this TP up here. Let's see. Gold is to come and tap into this zone up here. Let's go. Tell us a police story, a dating story, police story. Tell us about when you truly believed in God. I want to hear about the day you got tased. The day I got tased. Oh man. Guys, let me tell y'all. Guys, that is no joke. That pain is different. Listen, if you are ever in the presence of a police officer and you see him pull out that taser, just stop what you're doing. Just stop. If you're running, stop. If you're fighting, stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. Because when they hit you with that thing, you're going to feel it in your bones, let me tell you. That pain sucks. We got tased and we had to get OC sprayed. I would rather get OC sprayed than tased. Because when you get sprayed, OC sprayed, they spray it on your forehead and they let the liquid kind of seep down into your eyeballs. And that thing burns like, oh my God, literally like the devil pissed in your eyes. That's how much it burns, okay? And I don't know. I'm not with it. Listen, I can't. But I would rather have my eyes burning like my hair is on fire than get tased. And the tasing only lasts for a couple seconds. You know what I'm saying? But that pain is enough to, oof. Listen, it's like a jolt of electricity that just rock into your body. It freaking sucks. It freaking sucks. I never ever want to experience that again. And they have to make you experience it so you can see what it's like. You know what I'm saying? So it sucks. It sucks. It sucks. A woman down here in Australia survived a shark attack in Sydney Harbor. That's a good story. She survived. I'm glad she survived. I hope she don't get back in the water. Because people get attacked by sharks and be like, nope, I still love the water. I still want to da-da-da-da. I'm going to get, then they jump right back in that water again. What the hell? I get attacked by a shark. I'll be lucky to take a shower again. Because no, that's not happening. No, you're not going to bite off my leg and I'm going to jump back in the ocean again. I'm sorry. That's not happening. Like, what the hell? I mean, I love Shark Week, right? Discovery Channel, Shark Week, that's my shit. I could watch that all day, all night. These people get attacked by these big ass sharks and then come back like 3 months later talking about some, I love the ocean. It wasn't the shark's fault. You know, I was in the ocean. What? And you going back in there? Stupid. Just dumb. I can't. I can't do it. Y'all have, listen. I'm not getting my ass back in that ocean. I'll watch from the beach. Matter of fact, I'll watch from the balcony at the hotel. I'm not even stepping on the beach. Y'all tripping. It's just like losing 200K on the charts and you get back the next day for the love of the game. I don't know. I was at a beach in the Bahamas once. I was in the Bahamas on vacation and we were at the beach and I stepped on something in the water and I didn't know what it was. It felt like really slippery kind of. And I looked down and, you know, the water's, you know, pretty, it wasn't that clear, but it's pretty clear. And I looked down and I stepped on it and then I lifted up my leg and I went to put my leg down somewhere else. And I stepped on something else. So I go to look down and it was a big ass stingray, y'all. I never ran out of the ocean that fast in my life. I was out of there. And stingrays really aren't, you know, they don't really, you know, hurt people and kill people and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, they do, but if you mess with them, but I don't know. I didn't like that slimy feeling under my feet. It was disgusting. So yeah, I got out of there quick. I don't mess with those ocean animals. I would like to go whale watching. Whale watching. Can't even say that correctly. Whale watching at some point. Because I do want to visit Alaska, Greenland at some point. Maybe next year I'll go to Alaska. I think it's so peaceful and beautiful to look at whales, you know, swimming and you know, the way they act and stuff. I think it's very peaceful. So I would like to experience that at least once. And no, I don't mean whale watching from the water. I'm not getting in the water with those big ass things. I'm watching from a big ass boat. I'm not getting in no goddamn water with no damn whale. I don't have a death wish, guys. I like to explore things and have fun when I'm on vacation, but I'm not about to lose my life or do no crazy ass shit. You're not gonna read in the paper, Charlene FX gets killed by a giant whale who dragged her down. No, I'm not doing that shit. I ain't doing that. Nope. No. So 9:30 is about to hit. We're pulling back here. Okay, good. As long as we stay below here, we should be good for the sells. This thing better not push all the way up here though. I'm gonna be highly upset if it does that. Get your ass down here, US30. Stop playing footsie wootsy with me today. Gotta keep an eye on US30 here, guys, because we are almost at 9:30, so I'm gonna hold this move. Snorkeling. I like to snorkel. Yeah. A stingray killed the crocodile hunter. Man, listen. Imagine wrestling crocodiles your whole life and get killed by a stingray. That's sad. We about to hit 1,000. Almost. We got a couple away. Let's get the likes up too, guys. Let's get the likes up. If we can get the likes up, that'd be dope. Gold is still flying here. That's nice. Gold is still pumping. I want to see gold hit TP. I want to see gold hit full 200 points. Boom. Bing, bang, boom. Yes. I want to whale watch too. Yeah, I think whale watching it's peaceful. It's therapeutic. You know, they're such gentle animals. They're big as hell, biggest creatures on earth. And I think when I watch them on TV and stuff like Disney Channel, Disney Plus, when I watch those documentaries on them and I'm watching people swimming next to them and they look like this next to like this. Imagine seeing a big arm like this and then you see this little prick of a person. Like that's the person. That's crazy. Like I could never. Those things are so damn big. Crazy. What's the closest course you would recommend closest to your in-person since you're not offering until July? Just get my course, man. Just get my course. It's best if you already have my course. If you're thinking about taking my in-person class, it would behoove you to get my course as well. So I recommend that. Highly recommend it. Market is bullish, US30. How can you sell in a bull market? That's a good question, but the market does need to retrace, so that's why I'm selling. Do you like dolphins? I do like dolphins. I swam with dolphins when I went to Cancun, Mexico. Yo, Mexican food is so good. Listen, Mexican food is so good. Because the best part about traveling is what? The food, right? You get to experience the different cultures, different foods that they eat over there. So that's the best part about traveling. When I went to Mexico, man, I ate my heart out. That food is so good. The tacos they got there, the rice that they eat, the refried beans. I love it. I love Mexican food. Mexican food is right up there, right up under Haitian food for me. So, yes. So, how do you choose your lot size? Depends. Comes with time. Comes with time and your risk level, your risk assessment level, basically. Trying to ask that question for a few days now. What question? How do you choose? Oh, how do you choose your lot size? Okay. Try Ethiopian food. I tried it once. I wouldn't even know where to go to try Ethiopian food, actually. I wouldn't know where to go to try that. Do you like guac? Who doesn't? Who don't like guacamole? If you don't like guac, you're missing out. You're missing out. And it was weird too. Who was it? I think it was my mom that got me into eating guac. Because for some reason, I really like avocados, but I didn't like guac. But I didn't know that I didn't like it because I never tried it. I would just say I didn't like it. I hadn't even tried it. I just didn't like the texture of it and how it looked all gloppy and stuff. I was like, I don't want to eat that. And my mom's like, but you love avocado. It's the same thing. And I was like, it is. And I tried it one day and I never looked back. So, yeah. I go to Cabo every year. It's beautiful. I love Mexico the most. I want dual citizenship. Yeah, Mexico is beautiful. Mexico is gorge. Try Dutch Stampot. Is that a restaurant? I don't know. That's a restaurant. Nigerian food is the best. Habisha. I don't know what that is. Is that a type of food? Habisha? If you are about that food, you need to visit Sardinia in Italy. Oh yes, Italy is on the list. Paris is on the list. You said on an interview you were already at your point of success before you even reached it. Mentally, I saw myself there. That's gotta manifest things. Manifest. I love guac with onions. I'm the opposite. I can eat the avocado alone, but I like guac. Yes. Oh, Dutch food. Okay, Dutch food. Gotcha. Yes. Yeah, it's about the food when you travel. When you travel, you want to try different foods, try different things, you know? Because you eat American food all the time. You eat, basic stuff all the time. So when you travel, you want to try new things, you know? You want to try new things. That's what it's about. Experiencing the different cultures, exposing yourself to different things. Expanding your knowledge, learning about other cultures, other people. And then you really appreciate home too. You really appreciate the little things that you take for granted. When you travel and you see, like, I would say the biggest eye-opener for me was when I went to Thailand. When I went to Thailand, guys, those people that were there, first of all, the people there are great. Thai people are so nice. They're so accommodating. They're so polite. Super cultured, respectful, like zero complaints there. And I think I saw one fat person. Everybody out there skinny as hell, and all they eat is rice. That's how I know that white rice doesn't make you fat. It's the way we process the rice here that makes us, with all the shit they put in it, that makes us fat. Because when I went over there, every dish that they served literally came with a side of white rice. So I'm like, bro, all they eat is rice out here. Ain't nobody fat. No big bellies, no jiggly, no nothing. Everybody skinny as hell out there. But anyway, so when I went out there, the people there, like the way they live, like they live off the land, they live off, what they have there and what they produce. And I'm just like, they're so happy. They don't need like a bunch of stuff. material things or luxury things or none of that. You know, they were so happy in just how they were living, period. On just minimalistic living, you know? And I'm just like, that's what's up. That is what's up. You know, it's just everybody on scooters out there. You know, the people are polite. The kids are nice. You know, the ambiance there was everything. I really, like, I have to go back to Thailand. I have to go back to Thailand because by far, that was probably the best trip I took. Definitely the best trip I took. For sure, for sure, for sure. I love me some Thailand. So I'm definitely going to go back, and I'm probably going to go back longer next time I go. Because I had such a blast. And even though I was ready to go home after the trip, because I was there for what, 7 days, 8 days, I think. Even though I was there for that long, and I was ready to go home, I found out that there were so many things that I didn't get to do and experience there. So I'm like, you know what? I got to go to Koh Samui. I have to try to, you know, so much I didn't get to do. So Thailand is, even though I was there already, I have to go back. I have to go back. So yeah, and when you, like I said, when you travel, you really, you know, you appreciate little things, you know what I mean? But I would say that the thing I loved there the most was the people. Definitely the people that were there. So yeah. Love me some Thailand. Come on, US30, don't do this to me. Calm down, please. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Thai food is so delicious. Like, I like any other food, any excuse to eat. I was wondering what's your account size, what lot size, Really? This guy went from talking about Thai to asking me about my account size. Jesus Christ. Simple life is the best life. Totally agree. Have you been to Haiti since you're from there? I'm not from Haiti. I'm just Haitian. I'm not from Haiti though. I wasn't born there. I was born in New York. The last time I went to Haiti, the last official time I went, I was 9. I went there with my parents on a summer trip. But since then, the last time I went to Haiti, I think I was 27. I went on a cruise, but I don't really count that because we went to Labadee and we were only there for a couple hours. So I was there, but I don't think it counts. 995. 5 more people, guys. 5 more people. Can we get to 1,000? Can we get to 1,000? Can we get to 1,000? Don't tease me like this, guys. 998. 998. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. 2 more people. 2 more people. 2 more people. 2 more people, guys. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're just sitting at 98. Come on. Yeah, US30 is pushing right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna hold my position. I'm going to hold. We're pulling back, grabbing liquidity probably, and I'm hoping we turn around and come back. Once we break that low, we should come back for the retracement. I'm just hoping we don't make a ridiculous higher high and then come down. That would be like a sick joke. If US30 does that to me, that's gonna be like a sick joke. So, oh, we hit 1,000. We hit 1,000 today. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Would have been nicer if I was in profit with 1,000, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yes. Wanted to hit that goal by March or April, and we did it in January. Right before the end of January, we hit 1,000 views. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. I think so. The last time we hit 1,000, I think the highest we ever got, I think was 1,300 or 1,400 ever. So yeah, we can beat that. I think that's going to be my new goal. My new goal is going to be 1,000 viewers starting March or April. Let's see if we can hit 1,500 to 1,600 people watching. But yeah, pretty good, pretty cool, pretty cool. Love it, love it, love it. US30 is pulling back. Yeah, it's going to pull back. It's 9:30. you know, with that, yeah, I expect a little whiplash there. It's okay. I'm not gonna get emotional about this. I'm just gonna be patient with it and let it ride out. Let it ride out. Let the move play out. Do the backflip. Yeah, I meant that figuratively. You guys don't want to call the ambulance for me today. Yes. Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny, funny, funny. Yes, yes, yes. Confetti. Now we have news. We have the 9:30 pullback, and then we have news at 10. So maybe at 10 we can see this thing pump down a little bit. Gold, get yourself up here, gold. Come on already. People are waiting for you to hit their TPs up here. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Yes. Mm-hmm. News at 10. Let's see real quick. Boom, 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 boom. 10 a.m. I'm really curious as to what happened yesterday on US30 with this move. Do you guys know of any other news sites that I don't know about? Because I really only look at Forex Factory, and I'm trying to figure out like how that happened. What was this? Because was it really just market movement? Because that would be insane for it to move this much, especially so late in the day. That's a lot. That's a lot. I don't know. Oh, guys, quick announcements. I'm doing another podcast today. Recording another one. I guess I'll just post it. I'll post it on my story today. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can see whose podcast I will be on and when it's going to air on YouTube. So you guys can get some more news, some more. Let me see here. Bow, 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 bow. Do. I want to see if this podcast can hit 40K views by the end of the week. Can we hit 40K by the end of the week? If we do, that's going to be insane. That's what I want to see. I want to see us hit 40K views by the end of the week. Maybe 50. Maybe 50K views, guys. So if you're not familiar with this channel, Forex Beginner Trader Podcast, go check it out and check out my latest interview, my latest podcast on there. Lots of gems, lots of information, lots of value on this channel for you guys. Go check it out, because all it's going to do is inspire you and motivate you and get you off your butt and get you doing what you need to be doing out there to be a leader in this trading niche. So that's where it's at. So make sure y'all check out Calvin Forex Beginner Podcast. Let's go. Let's go. 9:42. We have news in T minus 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Bow. Come on. I don't think gold is going to hit gold. You stopped right here. What are you doing? Get yourself up here. Pull back just a little, then get yourself up there. All right? Maybe with news it'll hit. Maybe with news it'll hit. Yes. Would you do a video on how you do risk management? Yeah, my course. Check out my course. Looks like I'm in the right place. That podcast is how I found you. Awesome, awesome. No, it's not Words of Wisdom. No, I will not be in Dubai anytime soon. If I ever do that podcast, I'd definitely like to do it if I go to Dubai. So, but Dubai's, I don't know. Dubai is overrated. I don't know. Dubai is overrated. Oh, let's see here. That strong upside move last night on indices was the US Fed announcing that it was borrowing less treasury bonds than initially expected. It wasn't on the economic data calendar, but I got the info from my mentor at FX Streets. Okay, cool. FX Streets. Thank you. See, that's that fundamental stuff that your girl just doesn't understand. And you know what it is, guys? I keep telling myself I don't understand fundamentals. I don't understand fundamentals. I wonder if I stop saying that, if maybe I would start understanding fundamentals. What do you guys think? Are you using Fintura as your broker? Yes, I am. Broker link is in the description box below. And they're running a promotion right now also, if you guys want to take advantage of that. So $2,000 giveaway for 5 lucky people, and all 5 of you will get a portion of that $2,000. Okay. So let's see here. Let me see. Yeah. Let's try this again. Bow. B. Looks like we gotta wait a while today for US30 to take off here. Yes, you're talking yourself out of it. I think I am too. I think I am. Yes. So those of you that won today on gold, that took these gold buys, congratulations. That was an amazing push here. We pushed up literally 150 points. And the buys are still pumping away from yesterday. So that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Love it. You are amazing. You guys are amazing. All 1,000 of you are amazing, let me tell you, because you guys come on here every day. You tolerate my shenanigans. You listen to my stories. You laugh at my corny jokes. You couldn't ask for something better. You can't. Does your broker use MT4 or 5? 4. Congrats to the winners. What winners? Oh, the gold winners. Yes. US30 hit the close of yesterday, so it's a possibility we can fly. It is a possibility, because US30 did this, right? US30 did this. Where are we at? Let me go to the higher time frames. Let's do a higher time frame. US30 did this. You see this big move here? No pullback. So is it a possibility that we could do that? Which is insane to me. That is wild to me. It really, really, really is. So guys, listen. If US30 does that, it is what it is. It is what it is. What are you gonna do? Ain't nothing you can do. Absolutely, positively nada that you can do. Okay? So, because right here, because this is what it could do, right? US30 could do this. And then that. It could do that. Have I seen it do that before? Yeah. US30 is grimy like that. It really is. But it's a risk I'm willing to take right now. I'm willing to take it. And guess what? If we do get the drop and we get a pullback here, I may look for the continuation because we're so bullish right now. We are so very bullish. I'm well aware that the sells are very risky right now, but I'm okay with it because yesterday I got slapped on the buys. It sucks. It sucks. But what are you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Boom. I needed to start pulling back. Yeah, maybe with news because 930 didn't give much of anything. 930 it pushed up at 925, and then 930 it started rejecting and acting like it wants to come down, and then it started pumping up again. So we really need it to break that low for us to find our way down and come back into this area here. That's what I'm looking for. And even if, let's say, is that my fib? Yes. I mean, the fib lines up with it, the pullback lines up with it. I mean, you got to look at structure. That's typically what you want to see. Something like so could we make a higher high and then come back? It's gonna pull back at some point. It's going to pull back, you know. Yes, it's bullish right now, but it's gonna pull back. So that's what I'm anticipating right now. So it's a risk I'm willing to take, guys. It is. Am I taking a sell in a bullish market? Absolutely I am. But I'm not afraid to take trades with you guys. I'm not afraid to hold my positions with you guys. I'm ready for it. I'm here for it. I am here for it. I signed up yesterday with the 200 bonus. Thank you, sis. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Need to start pulling back. Yes, yes, yes. 4-hour structure is bullish. Just an opinion. I'm aware. I'm very aware of that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes, 4-hour structure is bullish here. You have this big move that needs to be corrected. And yeah, very much of an imbalance going on here. Lots of liquidity sitting down here. Lots of stop losses from people that are holding buys in this position here. So we'll see. Hopefully we don't make too much of a higher high before we come down. But I am holding this move here. I am going to hold the move because I feel like if I close, that's when it's going to go my way. And I don't want to do that. So I am holding, and I'm also going to hold through news as well. If I lose, I lose. It's okay. Are you using the market maker method? I don't know what that is. I've never heard of that before. The market maker method. What's that? I never heard of that before. Never heard of that before. Oops. I have to. Oh, I forgot to message him back. Oops. Thank you. Okay, so I can't do it today. Here we go. Kevin, thank you for the $5. Appreciate it. But I don't know what the market maker method is. I've never heard of that before. It's ICT. Okay, I'm not too familiar with ICT either. I know some of what it is, but I don't believe I trade it. So I know. Sorry. I don't know. I trade price action. I trade price action. I don't know what that is. See, guys, I'm still learning. I don't know everything. I don't know every single thing. I don't know every single style, every single method. I don't know every single thing out there. I'm learning every day, just like you guys are. Sorry, I don't know what that is. Oh man, this is how you trade with no indicators. Yes, yes, this is how I trade with no indicators. Yes. I don't know what to say to this. Damn, I have to call to make sure. Okay, let me look at that right now. Just sent the email. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, delete. House hunting sucks. Jeez. People are literally trying to sell a shoebox for $1 million. Whoa. Let me see this one. Oh, wow. Okay. Come on. Okay, here we go. News in 3 minutes. News in 3 minutes. Hi Charlene, it's been a while. I hope you are doing well. Hi. How long did it take you to become consistently profitable? A long time. If you can give one piece of advice in Forex, what would it be? Don't give up. I believe gold is going to drop. Gold. Well, it does need to retrace. It does need to retrace. It does need to retrace. I noticed you'll be all on the news on Instagram, blue face tat. I like commenting on things. It draws people to your page. I have the same reactions as you on some posts. I have some off-market properties in South Florida. You're trying to steal your house. Have you considered buying outside the US? No. All in a sell on US30? Yes. It's risky because market is heavily bullish, but I'm anticipating a pullback. Even if it pushes up here, I'm going to hold because I want to catch the pullback. You are very funny, coach. Thank you, thank you. US30 don't give a AF. Nah. US30 has been clapping my cheeks since last week. Yes, US30, yes. US30 has taken a nice chunk of my account in the last couple days. ICT is price action, market structure, liquidity. Yeah, US30 said fuck myself. Yeah, pretty much. It's like that sometimes. US30 is bipolar. You gotta take it during the good times and deal with it during the bad. It's weather the storms, that's all. It's a pair, you gotta weather the storms, that's all. Okay, so let's close this. Let me look at this as well. Let me see, what does the it's in a cul-de-sac. That's nice. Ooh, nice garage. Oh, look at that. They did it the other way around. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, but then you have that big open space right here. Let me look at this again. Yes, sir. Gold pulling back beautifully here. You see, everything gold is doing, US30 should be doing too. US30 is just sitting here right now. It's not moving out of this box here. Like, jeez. Give me something today. It's not moving. It did not move at all last night. Today, nothing. 9 o'clock gave nothing. News gave nothing. Today's no volume today on US30. It's just stuck in here. Let's watch gold. US30 is not doing shit. Let's watch gold. Who's in gold sales? Who took the pullback on gold? Okay. Three stories? Oh, hell no. I am not going up 3 flights of steps. You tripping. Nope. Ooh, carpet in the bedrooms. That's a no. That's a hard no. Why are people still building houses with carpet in the bedrooms? Nobody wants carpet. Nobody wants carpet these days. Especially in Florida. Kitchen is nice. Kitchen is very nice. Ooh. Big kitchen. Island in the middle. Nice little breakfast nook. Big pantry. Come on down to TP. Come on down to TP. They put carpet in the other bedrooms and the master bedroom has marble floors. That makes no sense to me. Why wouldn't you put marble all over the entire top floor? Ooh. It's like a whole living room in the bedroom. I don't know how I feel about that. They could have put a closet there instead. Nobody. What do you need that little space for? Just put a closet there. Ooh, I like the bathroom. This is nice. Very, 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 very nice. All right. Who's in these gold pullback sells here on gold? Don't hold themselves because you guys know that thing's going to turn around and go back up. She's going to turn around and go back up and smack TP. Do I have to dispose money to get a bonus? You have to have at least $10 in your account. So you have to have something in there. Who wins the Super Bowl? I have the Chiefs. I do too. I think they're going to win. Hey girl, I love your live and your videos, period. It's my birthday. Let's get this money today. Chanel Soul Simi. Chanel Soul Simi. Happy, happy, happy born day. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday. Yo, chat, you guys know how I am, right? I like to show love. Can we show some happy birthday love to Chanel So Simi in the chat? Chanel, happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Look at that. On your birthday and you're spending it here with me and you could be anywhere else in the world. I love that. Chat. Let's drop some happy birthdays in the chat for this wonderful lady. Let's say happy birthday to her real quick so she can go off and enjoy her birthday in happy spirits and she got some love from the chat. Let's do that for her today. Let's do that for her today. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. All right, all right. Look at all the birthday love. Look at all the birthday love. That's what's up. That's what's up. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños. Yes, yes, yes. Happy birthday. Yes, yes, yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, 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 yes. Bow, bow, bow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, it's after 10. It is after 10 o'clock, guys. I'm going to wrap up the live stream and we're going to kick it in the private live to see if US30 is going to make us wait until 12 o'clock today to catch something. I sincerely hope that it does not, but we will see. We will see. So guys, today was fun. Today was fun. Today was fun. Today was fun. Those of you that won on gold, congrats. Gold did some beautiful things today. It's moving up very nicely today. I do believe that it's going to tap into this area, then turn around and go back bullish. As long as gold stays above this trend line, above this area here, you can anticipate the buys. If we do break and we retest that area, we may start come down, breaking structure to continue down. But for now, it is pumping up nicely here. Now, as far as US30 goes, US30 is stuck in a range. Whatever you may believe, it is stuck in a range. It is still very bullish. It is still very bullish, but I am I'm anticipating a pullback here at some point. As long as we hold these highs, we can look for, you know, it to do something like this, right? Boom, boom, something like that. That's pretty much what I'm thinking US30 is gonna do between today and the rest of this week. It is NFP week, so if you're taking losses or you're not finding the, you know, the best setups and everything, keep in mind, guys, that it's just the motion in the ocean. Okay, sometimes you're going to get the best setup, sometimes you're not. Sometimes it's going to take a little bit longer for setups to play out. Sometimes you're going to have to take a couple hits, couple bumps and bruises along the way. But just remember, guys, it's just one trade. Don't get down on yourself. We all go through the motions of it. It is what it is, but as long as you can live to trade another day, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, guys, so that's all I got for y'all today. I'm going to be holding this move and see what happens here for US30. Wish I was in buys at this point, but I was looking for US30 to come down last night into this morning, and then I was looking to take buys probably this morning to ride it on up to continue the bullish momentum. But last night did absolutely nothing. Today, so far, it's 10 o'clock, nothing so far. So we'll see what today holds, see what happens. But other than that, that's all I got for y'all today. We'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bright-eyed and bushy trade. Okay, guys. Other than that, guys, y'all be good. Y'all be safe. Thank you, guys. We hit 1,000 views today, over 1,000 views today. That was awesome. Thank you all for being on. Thank you for making it happen. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. All right, so y'all be good. Y'all be safe. Don't overtrade, and I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, it's your favorite female trader, SIMPLEFX, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right.